So now that we have a Google Drive account, we're going to need to know how to get to that Google Drive account. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to sign in, and you're going to find this over in the corner. You will notice you're signed in when a picture of you pops up, or if you did not upload a picture, it'll just be a blank image of a person that's not really a person. So once you're in, there's a few different ways to access Google Drive. The first one is to type in drive.google.com. If you type this in, you're going to be able to access your Google Drive. So it's going to pull up this screen. If that's not the case, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Google, like we were where we first started, and we're going to click this little button right here that looks like it has squares. It says Apps. Drive has this shape right here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to click it, and you'll notice it pulls you right up into Google Drive once again. Now, later in this course, I'm going to show you how to install Google Drive onto your computer, and in a Mac, you're going to notice that Google Drive is up in the top bar. And I'll see that I can open my Google Drive folder, visit it on the web, so I can launch it straight from here. I can quit Google Drive. I can even check where my storage is at. So that is another way I can access my account. In the PC world, I have not used a PC in a very long time, so I do not know exactly where it'll be located, but my guess is it'll be located down in the time bar or the bar at the bottom of the screen. Do not quote me on that. I use a MacBook. You'll be able to go through and when we install it, and it'll tell you where it's going to be at. Now the final thing that I'm going to pull up here is where I am at when it is in my actual Finder window here on a Mac. So if you go into your Finder window, you'll see in Favorites I have Google Drive. Google Drive, the way this works is I am completely integrated in with my computer. If I were to open and edit a file right here on my computer, it would upload it straight to Google Drive, and I could access it anywhere at any time. This gives me complete flexibility on what I'm using at what time and where I can access it. So there's a lot of different ways you can access Google Drive. My preferred method is just to type in drive.google.com and hit that. You can also bookmark that if you use Chrome. You just hit the little star, and then once you're on here, you're going to be able to do everything that you need to do.